Hi friends, today we are going to solve cells by match from the algorithm implementation. There is a large pile of socks that must be paired by color. Given an array of integer representing the color of each sock, determine how many pairs of socks with matching colors are there. Okay, so basically you have to find how many pairs of socks with matching color are present there. It's going to be a very easy problem. Let's create a variable count. We'll be counting the socks with matching pairs, and then we are going to create a list which will contain a set of our given array. Basically we will be create set, as you know, this function of set. If you don't know it, it basically means that only unique values will be present there. So for example, let's look at this example. Let's take this example. Set of 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 is basically going to be 1 2 and 3 because all of the unique values should be present there. So that's why creating a set of array, and then we'll be creating a loop for I in range of 0 to length of array x, and we'll be creating a count plus equal to, here we are using a Python function to count total number of values that are present in an index of a given number. So count of array x of I. So basically this function array x of I, for example, of when I value is 0, so array x of I would be 1 2 and 3. So array x of I value would be 1. So it could be also interpreted as array means this value, and you have to count total number of values total number of values that is present of one identity. So basically here we'll be counting. So total number of ones present is 1 2 and 3. So once you have received value of 3, then 3 double divide by 2, which value would be 1, because this is a mathematical operator which would generally give you the integer value. Another way of doing it would be math.flow, because it will basically count the number of pairs that are present in a given range, in a given integer value. So for example, the value is 5. 5 double divided by 2 is going to be equal to 2. So total number of pairs that is present is 2. So in this way, we are trying to solve this problem. Although I would say it's pretty basic. So, and at last it would be returning and let's run the code. Oh, just a mistake. We have to remove. Wow. I don't know. Generally, this should not be passing, but let's run the code and let's submit it. As you could see, it passed all the test cases successfully. And as I always keep on reminding you, please send me your feedbacks in the comments so that I keep on improving this entire series. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.